Okay, so here students, we'll start with what? That is pronouns. So you know, nouns we use names and all, right? But pronouns, what do you mean by pronouns? That is, instead of a noun we use pronouns. Okay, so if I say, that is, Prem is going to school. Again and again I don't have to use Prem every time, right? Prem is eating, Prem is dancing, Prem is playing. I don't have to use. So that will sound what? Repetition. That will sound repetition. So to avoid that repetition, there are some words. What? There are some words which represent the noun. There are some words which represent the noun. Those words are pronouns. So instead of saying Prem again, what we will say? He. That Praveen is a boy. So that is why we will use the proper pronoun for boy. So he is eating. So those, to make it easy, many things are found to make life easy, not difficult. So don't feel as we go forward, we are making life easy to understand. It may become little complex, but it is easy to make life easy, right? So pronouns are made to make nouns not to repeat again and again. So if you take this example, I will tell you. So there is a very big name here. Can you see here? Birappa Yellappa Shettar is good boy. Birappa Yellappa Shettar is studying in 5th standard. Birappa Yellappa Shettar goes to Azurite school, and Birappa Yellappa Shettar's sister is studying Sainik school coaching classes, attending Sainik school coaching classes. Again and again you are feeling it, right? We don't have to use that. So to make it easy, what we will do, one time we will use that Birappa Yellappa Shettar, that's it. We got to know his name. Then related word for that we will use, that is he. That is a pronoun. He is studying in 5th standard, right? He goes to Azurite school, and his sister, the proper should be his sister, is attending Sainik school coaching classes. So that is the pronoun here. He is a pronoun, his is a pronoun. Understood? So that is the meaning of the pronoun. Okay, so let us see the definition. So what it means, that word. So those words we clubbed into a group, that is the pronoun, right? So what it means? So pronouns means using the word instead of a noun. Okay, okay, good. So yes, the personal, okay, that is the personal, we came directly to personal. Okay, yes, so pronouns are words used instead of a noun, so we don't have to repeat it again and again. Okay, okay, next here. So if you see here, there are different nouns, pronouns are there, right? So we have clubbed into different groups, that is the types, right? So if I say he, she, it, he, she, it, then my, mine, his, right? Reciprocal, ourself, themselves. These are different words, so we have to category separate them. So there are separated into different types. So what are the types? Personal means that is for me or for a person, that is he, she, it, they, we can use. That can be categorized into personal. Next, possessive means it is mine. This is my pen, this is my mobile, this is my spectacles. Mine, that is belongs to me, that is his pen belongs to him, that is possessive, means it is mine, like that. Possession, possession means whose it is, okay, like that. Reciprocal means myself, it is reflecting on me. I am looking at myself in the mirror, right? I am looking at myself in the mirror, that is reflecting themselves, ourself, right, like that. Reciprocal. So those are all things we'll study as we go forward, right? So there are different types, that is personal, possessive, reciprocal, indefinite, distributive, okay, then demonstrative, reflexive, relative, and interrogative pronouns. Okay na? Is everyone clear till here? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, should we go
Sir,
next?
excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
This will be shared in the group, okay, this will be shared in the group, you can write it later on, okay na? Got it? Okay, should we go next? Yes, should we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
PDF you didn't send, sir.
Doubt.
Yeah, we will send today, okay. Okay, yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, what should we do if like he or she is repeated many times?
You can repeat he or she, because that is small word. Instead of repeating big name, you can repeat small word. So we have to use,
Sir.
you have to repeat the pronoun, okay.
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 Sir, and is our a possessive noun or a reciprocal pronoun?
Which?
Possessive. Our.
Our. It is our is possessive, okay, it is ours,
Yes, sir.
right, like that. Okay, Aryan, any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, personal pronoun.
We will
No,
come
sir.
to that, we'll come to that, okay, don't worry, we'll study in depth. Yes, Siddiksha.
Sir, in YouTube, you told we will send in YouTube classes.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm searching, it is not coming.
You search Azurite classes and in the videos it is there, okay. We will send,
That only I touched.
already the link is there in the WhatsApp group description, YouTube videos link description, it is there. Next, who joined us? Bhavya Madhu.
Sir, in the YouTube, I saw the videos, but because the voice was not clear.
Yeah, there is some issue, we are resolving it, so that will be resolved soon, okay. Once it is resolved, you will get a clear voice. Yes, as I speak you can hear clearly, but in the video it is not recording properly. Yes, I can
So
understand
when I
that.
went and even if I put the correct OTP, it is not logging in.
Yes, okay, you will get it, okay, don't worry, okay. Next, we'll see personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are the words used in the place of, referring for a person, place, or thing, right? Person, place, or thing, that is person, it should be one thing, it is should not be related, like Prem's sister, Prem's sister, there is a relation, so in this place we will use his sister, that his will be the proper pronoun, right? So here the personal pronouns are for the person, place, or thing. So first person, what is the first person? I am talking, first me person, right? I am talking, I am talking to you, right? So I am talking means first person. Second person is you, I am talking to you. So first person will be I, second person will be you, right? and third person will be what? Tell me. I and you are talking about other person, that is the third person here, right? He, she, he or she. I am talking about him. I am talking about him. I am talking about him. So he, she will be the third person. Okay? Understood? Yes? Third, first, second, third person you know about it, right? Isn't it? Okay. That's very easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
for
I
the
didn't understand what is third person.
yeah, I will tell. Okay. So here for person we use he or she, but for things we use it. He, she, it. For the thing. For person we use he, she, and things we use it. Okay. So first person I am talking to you about the third person, that is Siddiksha. Siddiksha is away, right? That is the third person. She is not there here in between us. So that is means what? That is the third person he. I am talking about her voice or her abilities, right? Like that. Third person is away. Okay. First and second person I and me and you. Me and you talking about the third person, that is Siddiksha, like that. Third person should be away. That means third person. Okay now? Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
They are talking,
Sir.
both are talking
Sir.
about the third person that is away. Okay? Understood? Like that.
Sir,
Yes?
in third person, it can come.
It, yes. Dog. We use it. Right? For things, for animals, we use it. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is, yeah. Dog is barking. Dog is barking. It is barking. Right? Dog is barking. It is barking. Like that. It is used. Okay now? Okay. Join again. Join again. Yes. Everyone is clear? No doubts? Who joined as Prachita? What is your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Next, who joined as Meena
No,
Satish?
sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go next. Okay now. Here is a chart for singular and plural. So I told you about only singular here. This I, you, he, she, it are singular personal pronoun, right? So if we form the plurals, we will see here. Okay. So yes. So here singular I, plural will become we. We are, with us. I means one person. We are group, like that. Okay. So here for I, that is you is already plural. Both singular and plural, you only personal. Okay now? Next, third person. This is the first person. This is the second person. This is the third person. That is away. Okay? He, she, it. He, she, it. Plural will become what? He, she, it. Okay? Yes. He, she, it. Plural will become they. This is they. Okay? Got it? He, she, it. Plural will become they. So you just know now personal pronoun. That we also see it as nominative. Okay? So personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun we will see. So possessive means mine. This pen is mine. This belongs to me. Like that. My, mine. Our, ours. Those will be plural for the we. Okay. So your, yours. His. He will become his. She will become her or hers. It will become its. they will become their or theirs, like that. Okay, so that we will see possessive pronoun in the next slide. Okay, okay, so same way here, just know this accusative. My will become me. It is me who is talking, who is speaking. It's me, Ram, like that. Okay, so us, here you, it will be you. He will become his, him, sorry, his, he, his, him. Her will become her only, it will become it only. They, their, and them, it will become them here. Okay, okay now. Yes, I hope you can see it here, right? Okay, yes. So any doubt for anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, tell me, raise the
No,
hands.
sir.
No doubts, very easy.
No
Yes,
doubt, sir.
sir. No
Okay,
doubts.
No doubt.
okay, so just
No
remember
doubt,
now.
sir. No
Yes,
doubt.
yes,
No
okay, good.
doubt.
Okay, so what you have to remember now, just remember the names, that is the possessive pronouns first, that is, sorry, personal pronouns. I is for singular, we, I become we, right? Then singular, plural both is same, you only, he, she, it, singular, they, plural. That much you remember. We will see the possessive and accusative next. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So accusative, one more thing you need to remember, accusative, it is me. We use this in the place of object, but these are all used in the place of noun, that is in the starting only. I am Ram. It is me, Ram. Me is coming at the object, but I is coming at the subject, like that. Okay, na? Usage differs. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should we go next? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, that is what we have to know. Personal pronouns, singular, I, my, mine, me. Plural will be we, our, ours, or us. You, yours, or you. You, yours, or you. That is same for plurals. Okay. Okay. So this is the first person, that is what? Here me or I is the first person talking to you about the third person. I told you who is away, right? Isn't it? Okay, na? So that is the meaning of first person, second person. This is easy, already covered. So I will go next. Okay. So now we will have to solve the exercise here. Okay. Okay. So I'll ask, they only have to answer. Okay. Yes. So Prachita, who joined as Prachita. Okay. Yes. So here he wants the key. Can you give dash to him? What should be the pronoun used in the first? Across. Tell me. It should be across first. So two-letter word. He wants the key. Can you give dash to him? Prachita, tell me the answer. Switch on the mic.
Yes, sir.
What should come in this? Which pronoun we should use?
Sir, we should use.
Should we use he or should we use pronoun for key? Which we should use?
Sir, Sir,
We should use for key, beta. Can you give it to him? It. Why it? Key is a what? Tell me. It is a
Sir?
thing. Key is a thing. So we have to use for the key, pronoun for the key, that is it. He wants the key. Can you give it to him? So it, across it will come. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it. Next, that is Kamala K. Who joined as Kamala K? Third answer. That is
Yes,
across.
sir.
Two letter only. Pawan likes reading. Dash likes to read a novel.
He.
He. Pawan we should use for Pawan, that is he likes to read novel. That is correct. Next, that is
Seema likes music.
Janvi. Fourth answer. Seema likes music. Dash plays the violin. Huh? Fourth
Sir,
answer.
the screen is blurred.
Zoom. Zoom it. You can zoom it.
First one too. Okay.
Yes.
Please
Seema
tell the girls.
is
No,
a
sir,
lady.
still
So what we
blurred.
should use? What pronoun is suitable for a lady?
She got up early.
She, beta. Okay. She plays the violin. Okay, na?
Sir,
Okay.
shouldn't it be Seema likes music and also she plays the violin?
There are two sentences. Yes, that is also possible. But here, specifically here, there are two sentences. Right? So that is why you have to see. Okay.
Okay.
Next, Hari Krishna. Who joined as Hari Krishna? Fifth answer. I don't know Tina's parents. Do dash know them. What is the suitable pronoun? Do. Do you know them? Okay. Got it? So here you will come, and here he will come, and here she will come. Right? Okay, na? And here this they will come. So for first down now, dash don't want to go to hospital. So first I don't want to go to hospital. Please tell the girls they have to get up early. So they, here they is there, here already it is written because of it, right? Like that. Understood? No doubt? Pronouns, how to use them? Yes? He is
Sir.
used for a male. She is used for female. It is used for things. Okay, na? That you have to remember.
Sir,
Okay?
sir, and one thing is, after full stop, we need to start with she only, no, sir. When this,
Yes. Okay?
we can't use and, no, sir.
Yes.
After full stop.
No, we don't use and after full stop. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next. No doubts here? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we go? Should we go to possessive pronoun? Yes. Any doubt for who joined as Meena Satish?
No, sir.
Okay. So here possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means what? That is possession. This is mine. This is my pen. This is mine. We can say both. This is my pen, or this is mine. Both are same only. Okay. So it shows a possession. Possession means belongs to me, like that. Possession means belonging. Okay, understood? So that is the possession. Okay, let's go to the meaning. So possessive noun means shows possession, that is belonging. Okay, belonging. Okay, okay. So my will become mine, our will become us, your will become yours, his will become his only, her will become hers, their will become theirs. That is the possessive pronoun for this. Okay, yes, will you be able to remember? You have to remember this. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, next here. So just some example. Okay, my bag is bigger than hers or her. Tell me what will come, her or hers?
Say hers.
My bag is bigger than hers. Okay, that shows the possession. Okay, okay. So the remaining question I will ask, they only have to understand. So who joined as Deepa? Second answer. Whose book is it? What will be the answer? Who joined as Deepa? Your or yours? What should be the answer, students? Your or yours?
Yours.
Yours.
Yeah.
Question mark. Whose book is it? Yours. Okay. Yours will be the answer. Next, third answer. That is Chirag. What is the answer for third? That's not my bag. My or mine? Chirag?
Sir,
My or mine?
mine.
Mine. Correct. I just had given an example, right? This pen is my pen. This is my pen. When it is my pen, there should come pen. If I say only mine, I don't say pen. This is mine. That's it. So here there is no bag written here. So that is why mine will come. Mine is black. That's it. My bag is black. If it is bag was there, then we would have went to my bag. Okay, understood when to use my and mine? Yes.
Yes, sir. It is so
When
easy.
it is there, the thing is mentioned, then we have to use my. If that thing is not mentioned, mine. Mine is black. Okay, mine bag is black. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Wrong. We should not use mine bag. Mine is black. That's it. Okay, correct. Next, fourth. That is who joined as Bhavya. It is theirs umbrella, not ours. What will come? Hmm?
Their umbrella.
Yes, it is their umbrella, not ours. Correct. Very good. Next, that is who joined as Aryan. Aryan, what is the answer for fifth? Can he use your laptop? His or him is broken. Aryan, what is the answer? Next, who joined as Arpita? What is the answer for fifth?
Sir, I am there only.
Tell me then.
Can he use your laptop? His is broken.
Yes, his is broken, not him. Him means he's a person. His is broken is the correct way. Okay? Correct? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
Yes, sir. No
No,
doubt.
sir.
Manvi? No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So that is once again I am repeating this possessive pronoun. I becomes my or mine, we becomes our or us, you becomes your or yours, he becomes his, she becomes her or hers, it becomes its, they becomes their or theirs. That is the possessive pronoun. Okay? Okay. Next.
ask more questions.
Yeah, will do. Okay, reciprocal pronoun we'll see now. Okay, so reciprocal pronouns means what? That is reflecting on oneself. A reciprocal pronoun is one that expresses a mutual relationship. There are only two reciprocal pronouns, each other, used for two people or things, one another used for more than two people or things. So there are only two reciprocal pronouns, that is shows the relation, that shows the relation each other and one another. The example is the two brothers hated each other. The two brothers helped each others. That is also possible. When the result was out, the students of the class congratulated one another. Right? Congratulated one another. Each other means majorly from two person or more than two persons also, but there should be relation between all of them. One another means there may be possibility, right? There may be possibility, there may not be possibility. One another. Okay? Yes. Used for more than two people. One another means more than two people. Each other means for two people. Okay? Understood? Each other. When do you use each other? For only two people.
Two people.
And one another for more than.
Two people.
Understood? Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Very easy. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Next, that is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun means what? That refer to any specific person, that do not refer to any specific person. That is indefinite. So indefinite means we don't know who it is, he or his, we don't know him or her, we don't know exactly. This mobile is someone's, I don't know whose it is. That is indefinite, we are not clear, right? Like that. Indefinite means who we don't know exactly, that is specifically we don't know. Specifically we don't know. Okay, everybody should be treated equally, right? We don't know who, but everyone should be equally treated, right? Isn't it? Everybody. Someone has stolen my watch, so will the thief tell, yes, I have stolen? Yes, then he will
No,
get
sir.
nice beating, right?
No,
That is
sir.
why someone, we don't know someone, who is it, right? Like that. Something is missing, isn't it, in this food, so we don't know what it is. Anyone in the class can answer, right? Yes, like that. Everybody, someone, something, anyone is indefinite. Any pronoun where we don't know exactly, that becomes a indefinite pronoun. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, even he has stolen my things.
He has. You know he. Who that he is, right? Then only you are using he. Isn't it?
Sir, that is definite.
That is definite. Okay. Yes. So next, all went to play. All is also what? Indefinite. All means everyone went. So who don't, we don't know exactly. Some are ready to take chances. Few are eager to listen. Many are not aware of the pandemic. I rang the bell twice, but nobody responded. Nobody is a pronoun. Nothing is impossible. Right? These are the pronouns. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, that is a distributive. We'll finish it off. No time up. We'll finish it off. Okay. So that is a distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun means what? Distribute, right? Isn't it? Distribute means that is for more than one person. That is easy, right? So here a pronoun that refers to the person or thing in a group one at the time, since they take up the member for the group in individually. So they are singular. So for each, every, either, neither, these are distributive pronoun. Pen are distributor for everyone, right? So every person gets a pen. Okay, so let me rephrase it. Every person gets a pen, right? So everyone, right? So that is distributing pen, like that. Okay, so every, each, neither, either of you will win. Everyone cannot win, right? First will everyone will become first rank? Tell me, not possible, right? That is the winning. So that is either of you will win, either one of you, right? Like that. Neither of you will fail, everyone will pass, like that. Neither of you will fail. Understood? Every, each. Got it? How to use distributive pronoun? Yes? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Huh?
Distributive pronouns again.
Okay. Listen. Distributive pronoun is pointed to a person in the group, like this. Either work hard or fail. You have to choose one, right? Pointed to one thing in the group. Okay? Each one of you will get a pen. Each person is given a pen, like that. Distribution. Okay? Either work or fail. If you don't work, you will fail, isn't it? You have to do hard work. Yes? One of my friend is an IAS officer. One of my friend, only one, that is distributed in pointed to one person. Okay? Neither of his hands is working properly. Distributed to each, that is none is working, right? Like that. Understood? So none of his sons have a government job. Each one of you has to pay the fees. Okay? No one will come to save you in the exam. Any of you can join the class. Any will be the pronoun. Okay? Neither here. Okay? One of. Okay? So those are the distributive pronouns. Understood? Okay now? Okay.
Sir.
Okay, then the remaining, that is demonstrative pronoun, we'll see in the next class. Thumbs up. Everyone understood? No doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay then, students, we'll see on Monday. Okay, bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Sunday is a holiday.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Okay,
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
okay, bye bye.